Now that we have created a Kubernetes cluster on GCP, let us now understand how to interact with it. As we have already discussed, Kubectl is a command line tool which we could use to interact with the cluster. For us to interact with the cluster on the cloud, we need the help of Kubectl. We need to generate a kubeconfig entry in our environment to do this, so that we could interact with the cluster with the help of Kubectl. So we can do that using this command: gcloud container clusters get credentials, cluster name, zone name. So let us go to the Google Cloud Console. So click on this icon. This is Activate Cloud Shell. So this is the Cloud Shell. And then we will use this command: gcloud container clusters get credentials, the cluster name, which is static app demo. Then the zone equals this one. Okay, hit on enter. Authorize. So it says fetching cluster endpoint and auth data, config entry generated for static app demo. So now we can also check Kubectl version. So we can see the client and server version, right? So now let us head towards installing some necessary packages on our console. So if you remember, we have talked about Ingress while testing the app on Minikube. When we wanted to work with Ingress, we have enabled the add-on provided by Minikube with the use of the command Minikube add-ons enable Ingress. But here on the GCP, when we want to use Ingress, we need to install a package manager for Kubernetes, which is named as Helm. So Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes. After installing that, we can install Ingress engines. So go to GCP. So click on this link. So this is the homepage of Helm. It shows us all the guidelines, how to install it. So you can refer to this when you want to know more about this. But for now, we have already provided you the necessary commands. So we need to use these three commands. So the first one is to download that file, Helm file, and then give it the execution permissions, and then execute the file. The console. ls. So we can now see this file, which is downloaded upon using this command. Now we shall give it all the permissions for ourselves. So chmod 700, which means you are given all the permissions including read, write, execute, get help. Actually we need the permission to execute, but still we can give this. And then execute it using okay. So it says that Helm is available and verifying, preparing, and Helm is installed. Now we can check the version, Helm version. Oh, sorry, BER. Okay, so Helm is installed now. Now that we have installed Helm, now we need to add a repo which is pertains to the Nginx Ingress and then install it. So we shall do that now. So use this command. So it says it already exists because I have already have it in my console. But if you are doing it for the very first time, you will see some other message. Okay. Now install. So it might take some time. So basically we are trying to set up Nginx Ingress with the help of Helm package, which is a package manager for Kubernetes. Okay, seems to be done. All right, so next we will see how to deploy our static website, which we have tested on Minikube, onto this GCP.